Life believes in itself as you. This is a fundamental truth. It is not a fact that can be changed 100 years from now or 1,000,000,000 years from now. It is a truth. You cannot argue truth. Life fundamentally believes in itself as you. It created the oxygen so that you can breathe in your mother's womb. Your mother depended on the same oxygen that you're depending on so that you can have this life experience. So fundamentally, life believes in itself as you because you are the face of love. You are the stars looking back at itself every night. You are the face of grandfather sun loving itself. Grandmother moon praising itself. Yes. You are all of that goodness. You are the sun, you are the moon, you are the love, you are the intelligence, you are the creativity. Yes, claro que sí. Yes, claro que sí, claro. If this is your first time in the Future Gen Leaders Tribe, you might be thinking, why is it dancing? Why is everybody dancing? This is how we do it in this African village. We dance. We dance. We dance. We celebrate the beauty of life through us as our cultures, as our individual way of praying, of the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and the music we create. So, I would like for you to get up and dance with my mi amor, my chica. Yes, we're gonna do the goddess thing and just dance. Get up and dance. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your life. Get up and dance. Come on, let's follow the steps. Come on, let's dance. Try follow the steps with the guys or the girl. See if it works for you. Claro que sí, claro, claro. Life is about celebration. Yeah, celebrate your culture, celebrate your people. And now let's get down with this. Let's dance. Yes. 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 Come child. Come child. Come child. Come child. Come child. Yes. Come get a kiss. Yes. Awuthi ngukabule ngani yami ngukabule. Yes, move your body. Yes. 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 Move your body, move your hips. Yes. Creativity lives in your first chakra. So as you move your hips, yes. Move. 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 Yes! Creativity activated in you. You are the face of creative love intelligence. Yes. You are connected to the solutions to solve all your business problems, all your life problems. You are the face of love, connected, concentric circles of life. Yes. Connected to a higher power, to a higher intelligence. You are connected, seventh plane consciousness and above, higher. Love reigns supreme. Your decision-making process is impeccable. Yes. You can receive this if you want. Just say, I receive. And so it is. Yes. Oh. May all beings be happy. May all beings be peaceful. Yes. May all beings be liberated from all ignorance. May all beings be liberated from all suffering. May I be happy. Yes. Woo! Yes. May I be peaceful. May I be liberated from all ignorance. Yes. May I be liberated from all suffering. Yes. 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 Yeah, boom. And so it is. Already done in the mind of God, fulfilling itself as all beings who hear this word. Yes. Yes. Blessings, blessings, blessings to Grandfather Sun. Thank you for this day. Thank you for this beautiful day that we call our daily existence. Thank you, Grandfather Sun. Thank you, Grandmother Moon. Thank you, Grandmother Moon, for guiding us when we're lost. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you, Mother Earth, that you provide everything that we could ever need, the food that nourishes our body temples as we fulfill our life's purpose on planet Earth. Thank you. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you, Father Sky, for calling us up higher. Oh, thank you, Spirit of the Waters, for quenching our thirst and reminding us how to align back with our purpose, the original purpose to fulfill the mandate of love supreme on planet Earth. Thank you to the Spirit of the Wind. Oh, Spirit of the Wind, thank you for taking this prayer, this intention. Thank you for taking this word to the highest realms of consciousness where it can be heard, answered, and fulfill itself through and as us with ease, grace, and dignity. What no longer serves our highest good is dissolved into the nothingness in which it is, or in which it already was. You are the face of love. Spend time connecting with the laws of nature. Qigong, Tai Chi. Practice these practices, the ancient spiritual practices of the Asian people. Blessings to the Asian people. Connect with people. You'll learn a lot about ancient practices that could really keep you calm. And always remember to share some love with the grannies and the grandpas. Oh, the grannies and the grandpas are so much fun to be with. Share love with everyone you meet. 10 minutes a day.
太高兴了，见到你。
太高兴. I'm very happy. So, you say English, I say Mandarin. 这个。
英文的写。
Yeah, 对. So we're using a translating app. No problem, 没关系，这个. Okay, say
We're all doing the best we can. Lend a hand where you can.
见到你很高兴。
It's been nice to see you. 很好。
It's been nice seeing you.
Very 漂亮.
It's been nice seeing you.
Oh, it's been nice seeing you. It's been very nice seeing you. So,
you're on the right path and you will arrive at the right time. Divine timing is paramount. Trust the process, trust life through and as you.
我超大
你超吗？
我叫 Jason。
Jason.
Yeah.
So I bought beautiful things from
谢
Jason.
谢你。
Beautiful.
谢谢。
You make the art, everything you make?
是的，我们做一些这种国产的麦克风的东西。上海。
漂亮。
谢谢。
So I'm in my old neighborhood, Pudong. And this is where I used to live.
I love going back to countries that I lived in, neighborhoods that I lived in, and just give my gratitude. Because sometimes when I was living in these neighborhoods, I wasn't really grateful, you know? I wasn't as grateful as I could be. So always, if there's someone who's made an impact in your life, if there's a place that's made an impact, a temple, a tree, even a tree, you know, a waitress, anybody, go back and say thank you. A taxi driver, say thank you. Taxi drivers, all of these men that are driving us around, these women that are cleaning hotel rooms, serving us food, everyone involved in commerce, whether it's local or whether it's global. Everyone has an integral part to play in the upliftment and empowerment of consciousness. Your part is important. You being a safe driver is so important for everyone to get to where they need to get on time and safe, so that we can all fulfill our purpose, and you can fulfill your purpose and be well compensated for the work you do. When you start respecting yourself as a taxi driver, you'll start to realize how important you are and what a big role and a big part of this global economy you contribute to. So on behalf of all the global travelers, uThembelihle intombi yakaButhelezi would like to thank all the men and women that make global travel tolerable. Thank you so much. Thank you for your safety. Thank you for the prayers of your ancestors. Thank you for the deities and the gods and the goddesses of the lands we all travel as global business travelers. Thank you for your protection and your guidance over our consciousness, because these streets are real. These streets are real. So I bless all beings who are traveling, the taxi drivers, the ship crew people. I bless all beings. Bless all beings. So I would like to ask you, visionary, what do you do when you're driving? On average, a human being spends over 1 million hours on the road driving in a car. What do you do while you're driving? One of the most powerful books I read was The Power of Story. And after reading that book, I decided to change my mind about how I feel about global travel, how I feel about being in certain countries, how I feel about life. I could either choose to tell a disempowered story of where I started and where I've come from and some of the interesting experiences that I've had. I can either live in that hell of, oh my God, I'm so depressed, I'm so sad, life is not good, business is not good, this is not good, this is not good, this is not good. Or I can just choose to change. And change starts very small. It's never some big thing or moving across the world or quitting your job. It's small little changes every single day. And I would like for you to ask yourself these questions. What part of yourself have you had to deny to be accepted in the workplace, to be accepted by your family, to be accepted by your friends, to be accepted by your loved ones? What have you had to give up? Some things are good to give up. If you're a narcissist, give the shit up. If you're a borderline personality disorder person, give the stuff up. Go to therapy, go do tree therapy, heal, work on your wounds, right? But in the process of that, you're going to find out that you've given up so much of yourself, and maybe this is why the narcissism. Maybe this is why the sociopathies. Now, do we blame our parents? No, we can't do this because they are living their own hells. It is your responsibility to change your story. Change your story from being a victim to a victor. Change your story from being someone who's disempowered to being like totally empowered. I had to change my story, and I left South Africa when I was 21 years old.
I got to America, and on my 22nd birthday, I went to Disneyland because I'd never been to Disneyland. I used to see Disney on TV in Africa. So I said, okay, I'm going to go to Disneyland at 22 and I'm going to enjoy this thing called Disneyland. And when I got there, I was like so blown away by this Walt Disney man who was able to create a playground for adults and children to come and play so that they can be happy. So that they can be happy. And I was like, if he can do it, I can do it all over the world. In my own unique way. I'm so grateful for my husband's experience and work experience in the entertainment industry, in Hollywood, in the music industry, in the film industry. I'm so grateful for all of his experiences because I learned that when you focus your attention long enough on something that will empower you and humanity at the same time, nobody's losing out. Humanity's happy, you're happy, the gods are happy. The universe will bless you with the blessings of 1 trillion souls. We've just upgraded. It's no longer 1 billion suns. It's 1 trillion suns, okay? Let's even go up to 1 zillion suns. Why not? Follow your dreams. If Walt Disney could do it, if Kentucky Fried Chicken Man could do it, if all of the people that you look up to could achieve some kind of greatness, isn't it time for you to start believing in yourself? And it's always good to find mentors outside of your sphere of influence. So you don't have to meet these people face to face, but you can just read their autobiographies. You can just visit Disneyland and be like, wow, how did somebody build something like this? What thought did this person have to actually say, wow, I want to change the course of human history in an impactful way through Disney English, through theme parks, through media, through travel. How can I impact the world like that? When I went to Disneyland for the first time, I was like, oh my God, it's possible. It's possible. It's possible for anyone to tap into a big enough vision. And if it's centered in creative love, intelligence, and goodness for all beings, may all beings be happy, including yourself. That idea is for sure done. There have been many visionaries across the world. In Africa, we have so many who have changed the course of human history. You can choose to tell a new story. You can choose to tell an empowered story and watch the universe conspire to make its dream for love reigning supreme on planet Earth manifest through you. Your life's purpose is bigger than money. Your life's purpose is bigger than all of the things you can buy. Your life's purpose is bigger than anything you can obtain. Your life's purpose lives inside of you. And until you find that, you will forever be searching. So search within. Search for the love, the bliss, the joy, the inner child. Search for the inner child. Look at Disney. He mastered it. $1 trillion company. Steve Jobs with Apple. Creativity. Trillions of dollars. How about you? Get on board with this creativity thing, okay? Get on board with this creativity thing. All of the fucking geniuses of planet Earth are balanced. Left brain, right brain. Balanced. They understand these laws. So, in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to balance your masculine and feminine energy by balancing your right and left hemisphere of your brain. Please make sure that you watch that video. It is like neuroscience, sex appeal, and oh my God, so much fun. You don't want to miss that. So make sure that you go and watch that video. See you in the next video.